Hey guys, welcome back. This is my 17th tutorial on preparation for GRE. In the last tutorial, we ended up with the word astute, and I hope you guys all know right now what does that mean. And if you don't, please get back to the previous tutorials and recall all the mnemonics and the words. And today we'll be starting with the word atavism. अब atavism में क्या आता है? First three letters are ATA, which sounds similar to, I'm sorry about the double S, which sounds similar to आटा. And हमें क्या लगता है? Eating आटा is very old fashioned. We like pizza burger. And so atavism means relating to remote ancestors. Remote ancestors, which means anything which does not really relates to our generation. Our next word is atone. 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 अब atone में क्या आता है? Tone. और इसका निमोनिक क्या है? A tone that expressed he is sorry. A tone that expressed he is sorry. तो और atone का मीनिंग क्या होता है? To act in a way that shows you are sorry for doing something. Atone means to act in a way you are sorry for doing something. And example, atone for some crime, etc. Our next word is atrocity. 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 अब atrocity में क्या होता है? ROTROCITY. या so that sounds very much similar to metro city. और metro cities में आजकल क्या होती है? Brutal deeds. Brutal deeds in metro cities. And so atrocity means brutal deed, a terrible act. Atrocity means brutal deed or a terrible act. Our next word is attenuate. Attenuate. अब attenuate में क्या आता है? At चार वर्ड एक्चुअली जो निमोनिक पूरा कर रहे हैं. At 10U8. At 10U8. So इसका निमोनिक है since you ate at 10 you attenuated the effect of food. I know that might sound very stupid to you, but anyway, I think the mnemonic works. So attenuate means to make something weaker or less effective. Attenuate means to make something weaker or less effective. Our next word is attrition. Attrition. Now for attrition I don't have any mnemonic, but attrition means gradual decrease. Attrition means gradual decrease in number. Our next word is audacious. अब audacious में क्या आता है? AUD. और audacious से मेरे को तो याद आती है सिर्फ ऑडी. और इसका निमोनिक क्या है? इसलिए took risk to buy an Audi. Took risk to buy an Audi. तो audacious का मतलब क्या होता है? Someone who is audacious takes risks in order to achieve something. So audacious is an adjective actually. So audacious means someone who is audacious takes risks to achieve something. Our next word is augment. 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 Now augment में क्या, I mean augment sounds very similar to segment. तो augment में इसका निमोनिक क्या है, टू ऐड सेगमेंट, और हम कुछ ऐड करेंगे तो क्या होगा, इंक्रीज. सो ऑगमेंटिंग एक्चुअली मीन्स इंक्रीजिंग. ऑगमेंट मीन्स टू इंक्रीज. Our next word is augur. AUGUR. अब augur sounds similar to अगर, और हम क्या बोलते हैं, अगर ऐसा हुआ, अगर it goes well. So what does augur means? Augur means I mean it's just used the way if something augurs well, or if something augurs well or bad, it means it is a sign that things will be good or bad. If so, I would just say if something augurs well, things were good. And our next word is austere. 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 अब austere में क्या है, steer sounds similar to stare. Steer sounds similar to stare. अब आपको कोई stare कर रहा हो और कोई आपको जनरली गुस्से से ही stare करता है, और यहाँ पे मतलब ये stare गुस्से वाला है. तो stare किया किसी ने, चलो stare किया आपके मम्मी ने, बिकॉज आपकी मम्मी इज टू स्ट्रिक्ट. तो austere का मतलब क्या होता है, stern and strict. Austere means stern and strict. Our next word is avarice. 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 अब avarice क्या है, मतलब avarice किससे सिमिलर साउंड कर रहे हैं, ever plus rise. oops it is RICE, but इसका निमोनिक है ever plus rise. So avarice का निमोनिक क्या है, I want my money to ever rise. That's a good one actually. I want my money to ever, let's write it in caps, ever rise. So avarice का actually meaning क्या होता है, extremely strong desire for wealth. Avarice means extremely strong desire for wealth. Our next word is ever. अब एवर किससे सिमिलर साउंड कर रहे हैं, EVER वाले एवर से. और हम जनरली एवर को कैसे यूज़ करते हैं, मतलब दैट्स एक्चुअली व्हाट द निमोनिक फॉर एवर इज, like I won't do this ever. So generally we use ever in sentences we are sure about. We can guarantee that it's either going to happen or not going to happen in the future. So ever is something related to guarantee. तो ever का मतलब क्या होता है, if you ever something you say firmly it's true. Ever means if you ever something you can say firmly it's true. Our next word is aversion. एवर्जन. अब इसमें क्या आता है, इसका निमोनिक है वर्जन. तो इसका निमोनिक है, as you can see I'm on Windows 8 and Windows 8 I just keep getting this notification Windows 8.1 version is available and I just say to that nah I don't want it. So I hate updating new versions. So aversion means hatred. And our next word is avert. 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 अब avert का निमोनिक है avert is sound similar to divert. और divert हम क्यों करते हैं? Like your parents are asking you to divert yourself from from TV or internet. So obviously because that's bad for you. Divert because I tried to divert because that's bad for me. I tried to divert myself from watching TV because that's bad, or I might flunk. So avert का मतलब क्या है? To prevent something bad or dangerous from happening. Avert means to prevent something bad or dangerous from happening. Our next word is avid. AVID. और इसके लिए निमोनिक क्या है? I mean, I actually used to think, I don't think so now, but I used to think that I am avid. Avid में actually क्या था last में? Vid, which is short for videos. And again I would say I used to think that I am avid about uploading tutorials, GRE tutorials on YouTube. But since a lot of people have been asking me to upload more tutorials and I've been really sloppy these days, but anyway, I'm sorry about that. So avid means to be very enthusiastic something. So avid means to be very enthusiastic about something. But anyway, I was kidding. I really like uploading tutorials, so it's not that way. Our next word is evocation. AVOCATION. So evocation. अब इसका निमोनिक है evocation. में आता है vocation, and vocation sounds similar to vacation. And if you are doing your job by evocation, you won't be needing any vacation. So इसका निमोनिक है if you are doing your job by evocation, you won't need vacation. So what does evocation mean? Evocation means the job or activity you are into is because of your interest. So like I say, I'm a writer by evocation. I like to write. So evocation is hobby, pastime, or the job because of your interest. Job you are doing because of your interest, hobby, pastime. Our next word is AWRY. 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 और अब ऑरी में क्या लास्ट में आता है? राय, विच साउंड्स वेरी सिमिलर टू वेरी. एंड वेरी इज इसका निमोनिक क्या है? if the situation varied from what it was planned. The situation varied from what was planned. तो ऑरी का मतलब क्या होता है? If something goes awry, it was not straight, it was not expected, it just was totally opposite to what you were expecting. So if something goes awry, it was not straight, and obviously it was not expected. Our next word is azure. अब azure में क्या आता है? स्टार्टिंग में AZ, और if any of you has been a chemistry student, you would know there's something called azo dyes. तो अब इसका निमोनिक क्या है? Azo dyes, as it's a dye, everyone would know it's something related to color, and azo dye is, for us, azo dye is blue in color, since azure means blue, blue in color, and so azure means bright blue in color like the sky. Azure means bright blue in color like sky. And with this we complete our word list of letter of words starting with A, which means that we have completed all the words which I mean the A word list. And in the next tutorial we will be starting with the B word, with the word list starting from B, with words starting from B. And one more thing, I had asked for the opinion of you guys on the official page of GRE Explorers, and I just wanted to know if you want these if you want, or if you prefer these tutorials to be in English, or you would like it to be in Hindi. Anyway, I just want to know your opinion, so you can just comment in the comment box below, or just let me know through the polls on the Facebook page. The link for the Facebook page of GRE Explorers is in the description box below. Stay tuned. Hope to see you soon again. Bye bye. Ta-da.